Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to cover enabling your cargo bed lights. This would entail the LED cargo bed lights that come factory on some Ram trucks, but not all. On our truck we didn't have them, so we ended up opting to install them. And so we're going to show you in this video how to do that. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, as always, you're going to want to take your OBD link, MX, MX Plus, whatever you have to access the CAN bus or the OBD data link, and you're going to want to plug it up into the DLC or the OBD2 port. I've got my programmer here installed, so I'm going to unplug this here. And I'm going to plug our OBD MX Plus in. You can see it. All the lights are going to light up and it's going to be ready to go. Alright, next we're going to insert our key and turn it to the ignition. You just want to turn it to basically run. That provides power to everything, so you can actually access the modules. Alright, so we got our key in the run position. We're going to go ahead and connect. Okay, it's connected. Now we're going to go ahead and select Dodge, Ram 2500. We're going to select body computer here. Select control unit will be body computer model year 2013-17 PowerNet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and connect. Okay, we're all connected up. So now we're going to go and open the car hood. We're going to select our procedure. From here we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to hit car configuration change. Then we're going to go ahead and select our option. This option will be located in 2014 CBC IO and feature, and it'll display truck bed lighting feature. If you don't have it plugged up to the truck and you're just trying to find it, it's probably not going to show you where it's at, because it did not for me. So we'll scroll down until we see 2014 CBC feature. Right here where it says 2014 CBC IO and feature truck bed lighting feature, we're going to go ahead and click on that. Select our value. We already have ours activated, so ours are we don't need to select anything here, but if you don't have these activated yet, you're going to go ahead and select yes, and then you'll hit start. Once it finishes, go ahead and back out of this. Okay. Alright, and then you go ahead and turn the key off. And then you'll let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then come back to it, and you can either activate your cargo bed lights here with the button or with your key fob here. Once you unlock it, it'll go ahead and turn the lights on. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this video. If this helped you guys, I hope it did. Otherwise, hopefully you can find somebody that does help you, or the information. I'll link in the description, just as I do with all the other videos, the forum that you can find and the thread that you can find all the information on, to help you as well if you need some actual references, or you need to find the known working list. That'll be the end of the video, and please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks for watching.